Hello students, I am Mom Rose. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell for you to be updated on my upcoming videos. Happy learning! For today, we will be adding integers using two easy rules. Integers is a set of whole numbers and negative numbers. To visualize that one, we have here the number line. From 0, it goes infinitely to the right where the positive integers lie. And to its left, going infinitely, are where negative integers lie. Here are examples of integers in real life. In terms of prices, we have price cut and price increase. While in terms of steps, we have backward steps and forward steps. In terms of money, we could have money deducted and money gained. We also have in terms of temperature, colder temperature and hotter temperature. We also have the distance below the ground and the distance above the ground. Now let us try adding integers using the number line. We have here 3 plus 4. We will first locate number 3 in the number line. And then, that is plus 4, so we will be moving 4 units to the right. We ended up with 7. So 7 is our answer. Now this one is easy since this is our regular addition. So how about we place negative numbers? We have here 5 plus negative 6. So first we will be locating 5 in the number line. And since that is negative 6, we will be moving 6 units to the left. We ended up with negative 1. Therefore, negative 1 is our answer. How about we try these items? To start, let us locate negative 2 in the number line. And since that is negative 9, we will be moving 9 units to the left. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We ended up with negative 11. Therefore, negative 2 plus negative 9 is equal to negative 11. How about the other item? Again, we will first locate negative 8 in the number line, and since that is positive 12, we will be moving 12 units to the right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We ended up with 4. Therefore, negative 8 plus 12 is equal to 4. We have answered the following so far. With this, we have arrived at the rules in adding integers. Number 1, same sign, that is positive plus positive or negative plus negative. Just like in letter A and letter C, we simply have to add, then copy the sign. In letter A, positive 3 and positive 4 is added, that is 7, and then the sign is positive. While in letter C, that's negative 2 and negative 9. Adding 2 and 9 will have a result of 11, and we simply copied the negative sign. The second rule is, if you have different signs, that's positive plus negative or negative plus positive, just like in letter B and letter D, then we have to subtract, then copy the sign of the larger number. In B, that is positive 5 and negative 6. Since they have different signs, we will be subtracting the numbers. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now the sign of 1 will be based on the larger number, which is 6. The sign of 6 is negative, therefore our answer should also have a negative sign. In letter D, we have negative 8 and positive 12. Since they have different signs, we will be subtracting the two numbers. That is 12 minus 8 is 4. Now the sign of 4 is based on the larger number, which is 12. 12 is positive, therefore our answer should also be positive. Now let us apply the two easy rules in adding integers. Number 1. Positive 12 plus negative 17. Now this belongs to rule number 2 since they have different signs. That means to say we have to subtract 17 and 12. The answer is 5. Now the larger number is 17, having the sign of negative. Therefore, our final answer is negative 5. Number 2. Negative 5 plus negative 13. Since they have the same sign, this is rule number 1. In that rule, we will simply add the numbers, that is 5 plus 13 is equal to 18, and then we will simply copy the sign. Therefore, our final answer is negative 18. We are now on number 3, that is negative 10 plus 14. Since they have different signs, we will be using rule number 2, wherein we will subtract the numbers. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. Now the sign of 4 will be based on the larger number, which is 14. Since 14 is positive, our final answer should also be positive 4. In number 4, 23 plus 9, this is our regular addition, which is also rule number 1. If we have the same sign, we will simply add 23 and 9, that is equal to 32, and we'll simply copy the sign, which is positive. Therefore, this is our final answer. In our last item, 16 plus negative 8, they have different signs, therefore this is rule number 2. In that rule, we will subtract the two numbers involved, so 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now the sign of 8 depends on the larger number, which is 16. Since 16 is positive, our final answer is positive 8. Let us now apply addition of integers in word problems. Number 1. You park in a garage 3 floors below ground level. Then you get in the elevator and go up 12 floors. What floor do you get off the elevator? To visualize the problem, let us use a number line. We have here 3 floors below the ground. That pertains to negative 3. So let us locate negative 3 before we proceed. Then, from negative 3, we go up 12 floors. That pertains to positive 12 since it is above the ground. Therefore, we have to add positive 12 to negative 3 to get our final answer. That is, moving 12 units to the right from negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we ended up with positive 9. Therefore, we are on the 9th floor when we get off the elevator. Let us now proceed to number 2. A submarine at 21 feet below sea level suddenly moves up about 6 feet. At what depth is the submarine located now? To visualize the problem, let us have here a picture of a submarine below sea level. The first information here is 21 feet below sea level. That could be represented by negative 21. And then, it moves up about 6 feet. That could be represented by positive 6. So for us to know where the submarine is currently located, we have to add negative 21 and 6. Since they have different signs, this is rule number 2, wherein we will be subtracting 21 and 6. The answer is 15. Now the sign of 15 will be based on the larger number, which is 21. Since 21 is negative, therefore our final answer is negative 15. That means to say the submarine is currently 15 feet below sea level. Special shout out to my supportive students Norhaina, Fawn, Queenie, Leo, Edson, and the entire Arts and Design family of Mog Senior High School. That is all for today. Thank you and see you on our next video lesson.